Nakita lang namin mga kabalat na hindi pwedeng ismuli ng mga kabalat pagdating sa Inglesan.
Kaya nga,
Ano ba?
kahit tayo mga kabalat eh. Kahit na mga English na palundag-lundag na palundag.
Ayan mga kabalat at papasukin na namin yung compound.
Ayun, sumasalong mo ang Amerikano. Mga kabalat.
Sabi ko. Hindi maliliit lang ako kami eh.
See, there's the new CR there.
Ay, di siya. Andito ho tayo sa farm ngayon ni Ayun, nagaganda ng ano.
Is Alvin. Alvin is my brother.
Oh!
All this.
So, tanggalin ko ito.
Please sit down.
Yeah, sit down, we'll have a barbecue.
How about sir this plan for kunyari may dumating na bagyo?
Carding, Typhoon Carding, we were here. And they say that's the worst they've had here for a long time.
Ano raw?
Do, Margo, eh, ka nakakaintindi. Eh, ka nakakaintindi. Ano pala yung nung yung ano yan?
What is swimming pool or
No,
Tumutubo sa gitna.
fish pond.
fish pond?
Yan yung tumutubo.
Will be, not yet, but it will be fish pond.
But why is planting? There's a gitna.
Yeah. It's food. It's food for the fish.
Pagkain ng
They can eat that.
pagkain pala doon.
Actually, I probably won't put fish. I'll
Ano ba
put
sa ano yung kapote? Yung parang kapote. Nasa gitna na, sa English.
I'll put shrimp.
Okay, mga idol, kabalat. Let's hi to
Hi.
kabalat. Kabalat.
Hello.
Hello mga kabalat, andito ho kami ngayon sa
What's up?
Andito ho kami ngayon sa
Nagpapadugo kami ng utak din.
nosebleed.
Nosebleed.
I got tissue. Hang on.
Because no speak English.
That's okay.
Speak English a little bit.
Yeah, I speak Tagalog this little bit too.
Ay. Ano, water yung water yung. Are you ready, sir, for the
I'm ready.
Your question and interview.
Question and answer.
Now on is kwentuhan. Ano yung kwentuhan? Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
good vibes. That all.
Okay.
Hmm.
Our neighbour is providing background music.
Background.
Chainsaw. Background music.
Okay.
Thank you, neighbour.
Background music. Ito mo naman gano'ng kaganda rin. Beautiful place.
So, ayun. Nosebleed.
Yan sinasabi ko sa'yo. Nakukula na yata. When did you arrive here in the Philippines, sir?
I arrived here on the 16th of October 2019, just before the pandemic.
Pandemic.
Yeah, just before. Yeah. So I was lucky to get in to the country, and then Nina and I were living in Bullywug to start with, but we wanted to get something, and we found this fairly quickly by June, and in June 2020 we found this. But it wasn't like this then.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Oh, it's hard to say. They're all pretty good. I like pancit.
Pancit.
Yeah,
Sunset.
yeah.
Paborito ang pagkain.
What else is there? Well, caldereta.
Caldereta.
It just goes on. Yeah, it's all pretty nice.
How
yeah.
about the chicken, adobo?
Adobo? Yeah. Adobo is okay. I'm not that fond. Any adobo, I'm not that fond of. It's just, I don't know. It's not the chicken. It's just the adobo. Yeah, it's okay though.
Nakakain na ba kayo ng sinampalokang manok?
Manok.
Yung ano, yung
chicken.
Ano sa Tagalog sa English yun? Yung
Sa-
sima. Yung
Yung may sabaw.
sinigang.
Sinigang?
Sinigang. Yeah, we have sinigang a lot. Yeah.
Sinampalukan.
Yeah.
Sinigang.
Do you like it here?
Yeah. I mean, this climate is very similar to where I lived in Australia. Same sort of temperature, hot. You know, we have a wet season and a dry season like you have here. So it's very, very similar. So it's just, you never get used to it. You always, hot and sticky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sa Australia, sa
Tagalogin mo nga ba?
Hmm?
Tagalogin mo yung sinabi ni
Sa Australia daw, pareha daw, malamig daw sa Australia. Mainit daw dito. Kaya lang sando lang.
Ganun pala.
Parehas.
Some parts of Australia are very cold though, not like here. Because where I was living is the northern part of Australia, which is quite hot. And the southern part is quite cold. It's different to here, absolute reverse to here. Like you go north here, it gets cold. You go south here, it gets hot. But in Australia, it's the other way around. You go north, it's hot. You go south, it gets
Parehas
cold.
Parehas lang pala.
Ano lang?
Pag alas 7 na daw doon, malamig ay ng gabi. Malamig na din. Pagka daw yung sa umaga, ano naman, ganun din daw, mainit din.
Translator.
Masama araw, mainit na rin. Ganun din daw.
How many years you live in the Philippines?
I've been here since October
October
2019.
2019.
Yeah.
It's,
So
6 years?
5.5 years.
Five and a half years.
6 years coming up this October. Yeah.
Matagal na din.
Matagal na rin, 2019.
Do you plan to retire here, sir?
Certainly. Yeah. I've put too much work in to do anything else. It's this is our dream. So yeah, this is where we'll be.
Okay. Ano ba sa English yung paano yung sino yung una niyang nakilala nung dumating sila dito?
Who's your first met in the Philippines?
Where did we first meet?
Yes.
You mean Nina and I?
Yes.
Oh, we first met in Facebook, but
Facebook.
when we first met face to face,
Yes. Face to face.
yeah, it
First
was in Bullywug.
met. Baliwag.
Yeah, in Bullywug. Yeah, Nina come to meet me, and we spent 2 weeks together. When I first met her, and I went back to Australia, and then I sold everything I had and prepared to come here. Yeah. So it's, that was so.
Yung po yung kwento mga kabalat nung kung bakit po sila napunta dito at kung paano nilang nabili yung property nila.
Lupa.
Paano sila napunta dito mga kabalat. Yan. At kung ano pa man ho yung mga naiintindihan nyo riyan kumpara sa amin na mga dumudugo na ang ilong, eh mag-comment na lang ho kayo riyan.
Kami yung mga kapalat, mananakbo na kayo pa kami. Kaya naiintindihan.
Ano ba? How tall are you?
How tall?
Are you?
I used to be 6'2".
6'2".
I used to be, but I'm about 6 foot now. I'm shrinking.
Kaya pala. 5'3".
5'3".
5'3". 5'4".
Hey, you tall boy. Yeah.
Like that.
Tanong. Question.
Question.
Abay, madalang to.
Ano yung mga sa English yung kung may isda rin eh.
Saan ba?
What name fish yung nilagay
Oh, I
nila?
got to put in there.
Fish.
We call it a fish pond, but no, I want to put red claw. You know red claw? It's a shrimp.
Shrimp.
It's a shrimp,
Ano daw?
but it has claws.
Shrimp
Looks.
daw. Ano yung hipon yata yun.
Hindi, pula daw yung nilagay na isda, right?
That's what I want to put in there. Shrimp.
Shrimp. Hipo nang nandyan.
Oo, hipo.
Shrimp. Dumadami rin sila. Paano ba yung English yung dumadami? Ang anak, siya pregnant.
Yeah, yeah. yeah.
Days.
Yeah, they're like they're young. Stick to the
Stomach.
stomach of the mother.
Ah.
Yeah, and they just still sit there.
Oh, yun
Yeah,
yan. Buntis.
yeah. And then you take them off if you want to take them off and put them separate, and then put them into another tank. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to leave them all in the one, and then we'll just grow them for us, not for selling, just for us.
Kung ano man ho yun, maraming salamat.
Okay na sir, thank you very
Oh.
much. Nice
Ah.
meeting you sir.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Malang yan naman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.